Welcome to Mark for Future, a bilingual primary school that majors in music technology. Conversation P1. Today we had creativity in our bones. The students cut out individual parts of the human skeleton on paper before assembling them on a plain background in the correct anatomical order. This was a fun activity and helped improve their knowledge about the human body.
So I want you to cut round, and this one, okay? Here's yours. Now I need to give some scissors. Do you want to use these ones? Sam, these ones? Okay. So
เราเป็นกระดูกขาฉันเป็นตอนนี้น้องเคยทำแต่ไม่ใช่แค่นี้ฉันเป็นกระดูกปอดเราเป็นกระดูกขานี่มือเธอฉันตัดเล็บเท้าอันนี้ชาเอ็มชิดกลุ่มชิดด้านนี้มีที่สำคัญสุดอย่างก็คือ
So this is like what okay, cool. Now you're going to keep cutting out the other one. So now we all right around the edges and they go on get out. Okay. Oh, sorry. Lots of glue. Yeah, I'm going to do this one. So I'll do that edges. It's called scalene. Two on it. So we have it put it right around, so it's going to be places. And this little bit is going to go there. See? So almost screw that way. Yeah, on top. Yeah, that's it. And this other one, you come around here. Okay, so you're going to glue. So turn it over and glue them out. Okay, after that it's going to be the other two. Excellent, we're getting we've got half a skeleton now, which is really good. Alright, let's have a look. Are you ready? We've got a look at connects right there. Well done. And this one, can we glue that one? Well done, mate, well done. Okay, so let's put that the other way around. We reach it. Okay, yeah. Do this one too. And you come around this way, buddy. So which way around are we going to do this straight? Let's have a look. Should we see which one this arm is? Is that that one? I think that's this one, isn't it? Left one. So we'll do the left one first. Okay, we'll do the right one. Good. Here's your glue. That's called a pelvis. Yeah, pelvis. Okay, what's the glue? Yeah, we call that now.
Teacher, I need more glue.
Okay, these on. These are ready for each other.